We hear about the importance of a good hearty breakfast to start your day, but what's even more important is making sure that you've got good quality protein, and that is why I'm sorting you out with these delicious protein-packed breakfast muffins. They're so good, you want to crack into it with 2 fry pans over medium heat. Grease them up with a good quality oil. Now we're going to crack into our protein. Now we're going to start with our delicious 100% Aussie beef patties. Now, what I love about these is that they are gluten-free, dairy-free, there's no artificial colours or flavours, and they're packed with so much deliciousness in there. Get them into the hot pan, and then we're going to use a spatula to flatten them out and get them to the size that we want. We're going to cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes or so on each side, or until golden brown and caramelised on the outside and beautifully cooked through, which gives us time to get onto our eggs. Now, everyone loves their egg in a different way. I don't know about you, but nothing goes past a classic sunny side up egg. So bring your pan up to medium heat, crack those eggs in there, and you need 1 egg per person. Get that last egg in there. And whilst they're frying away, you want to get onto your English muffins. Now, my tip is actually lay out a baking tray like this and put them under the grill. I'm so pumped for this breakfast. All I need to do right before serving up is getting the beautiful juices from the pan that I cooked the burgers in and sauteing that spinach down. Now, it doesn't take much at all. What I've done in the beautiful egg pan with all of those flavours is soften the red onion until it's caramelised and gorgeous on the outside. Breakfast, this one has your name all over it. Let's start plating up. Start with a base of your muffins. You're going to give that a little drizzle of your favourite oil or a spread of butter. Do whatever suits you. Then we're going to go in with a bed of our beautiful sautéed baby spinach. Get a nice big pile and try to start building some height. That'll do it. Now it's time for the patty. Oof, that is so good. Sautéed red onion. Let's get it on. I love putting the onion on top of the patty because all of the beautiful juices just seep down into the meat. Now it's time for our egg. Because we've gone sunny side up, you've got to be pretty steady and stable as you put this on. Oh, how good is that? This is truly the breakfast of champions. I want you to give it a little pinch of salt to bring out all of those flavours. And the best part is this is protein packed, 100% Aussie beef. It doesn't get better than that. This is so yum. You have got to make this at home.